Hello guys, gaming PC worth 60k. For the processor, Ryzen 7 5700G with Radeon graphics card, memory na T-Force 16GB, dalawa. True rated na power supply 650 na Legion GX Pro, SSD M.2 1TB, ang kanyang storage na Seagate 2TB. Siyempre, MSI na video card, RTX yan, 3060. MSI din ang kanyang motherboard, B55M Pro Wi-Fi.